Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are taking a look at the brand new Sennheiser Accentum Open earbuds, which you can pick up for about €90. But the question is, are they any good? Let's find out. These earbuds come in two colors, black and cream. The case has a matte finish and looks and feels like a regular mid-range earbuds case. The edges of the lid could use a bit more polish. I went with the cream version this time. The lid isn't thin, but it feels flimsy because the spring cannot keep the case open on a flat surface, which is quite annoying. Stay tuned for the microphone tests later in the video. On the front you'll find the embossed Sennheiser logo, and on the bottom there's an LED light to show the battery level and charging status, as well as a USB-C charging port. There is no button for pairing or resetting these earbuds. Each earbud weighs 4.4 grams and the total weight of the case with the earbuds is 41 grams. The design is modern and the buds are made of good quality matte plastic, not perfectly executed though. These earbuds are also IPX4 splash resistant, so you don't have to worry if you get caught in the rain. The sound quality is great for semi-open design earbuds. The 11mm dynamic drivers produce clear, loud, full sound with solid bass. They support only AAC and SBC codecs. One thing to mention, while commuting and switching from one device to another, I experienced random phantom disconnect sounds. Hopefully you won't encounter this issue since you are not testing like I am. Also, the connection to my smart TV was quite patchy. The earbuds use Bluetooth 5.3 and do not feature Google Fast Pair. Moreover, there is no application support. What you see is what you get. You don't have sound profiles, custom sound, low latency mode, adaptive sound, audio balance, and other features that modern earbuds often offer through their app support. According to Sennheiser, these earbuds last 6.5 hours on a single charge and up to 28 hours with the case. I used them for 3 hours at 75% volume and they still had 60-ish% battery left, so I can confirm their claim. You can also use just one earbud at a time to save battery, and they have in-ear detection with your phone. You can connect these earbuds to two devices simultaneously, and they support up to 8 devices for fast pairing. Looking at the whole package, including the price, these buds are on par with the Xiaomi Buds 5, which also cost around €90 and have almost the same sound quality. The Xiaomi Buds application support, along with Google Fast Pair and aptX audio codec, make them a more appealing offer. However, if you're a fan of Sennheiser brand, go ahead and buy them. You won't be disappointed by the sound quality. As for the call quality, check it out for yourself. This is the call quality of the Sennheiser Accentum Open indoors. And this is the call quality of the Xiaomi Buds 5 indoors. This is the call quality of the Sennheiser Accentum Open when using the vacuum cleaner. And this is the call quality of the Xiaomi Buds 5 when using the vacuum cleaner. This is the call quality of the Sennheiser Accentum Open in a cafe. And this is the call quality of the Xiaomi Buds 5 in a cafe. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing. If you have questions, I'll be happy to answer them in the comments section.